Just replace the batteries in your Xumo TV remote and it's still not working? Don't worry, this is a common issue with simple solutions. First, double check that you're using brand new batteries installed correctly. Clean the battery contacts thoroughly and remove any corrosion you see, as shown here. Xumo remotes use both infrared and Bluetooth technologies. Understanding this is key to troubleshooting. IR requires direct line of sight, while Bluetooth needs proper pairing. For infrared functionality, ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote's IR sensor and your TV. Remove any obstructions and stay within reasonable distance. If these basic steps don't resolve the issue, your remote likely needs to be repaired with your TV. Recent software updates in early 2025 have made this process much more reliable. The first method to repair your Xumo remote is through the Settings menu. Navigate to your Xumo TV's home screen. Alternatively, you can try button combinations. Press the microphone button and wait, or hold the 1 and 3 buttons together for a few seconds. If repairing doesn't work, try resetting the remote. For remotes with a settings button, hold Add and Back until the LED turns green. Then press 9, 8, and 1. For remotes without a settings button, hold the 3 dots and back buttons for 5 seconds instead. You can test if your remote's infrared sensor is working by pointing it at your smartphone camera while pressing any button. You should see a light on your phone screen. For advanced troubleshooting, try power cycling the remote by removing batteries for 30 seconds, then pressing and holding the power button for 10 seconds while batteries are out. You can also perform a cold boot of your Xumo TV by unplugging it from power for 5 minutes, then plugging it back in. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact Xumo support for further assistance or check if your remote is still under warranty.